Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bangladesh. This is a meat korma cooked in a restaurant style. So this is how it's packed in Indian takeaway. Let's see how it's cooked. First of all, in a pan, the chef is adding coconut powder, sugar, and some gravy. This is totally different from the way we cook at home. About 5 minutes in medium to low heat. Then he adds pre-cooked meat. So this meat's been pre-cooked and left in a container in a freeze. So they just get this ready. When the customer calls in, they have little time. It's 8 pieces of meat, I think, in a portion. So he's cooking one portion of meat, 8 to 10 pieces. Yeah. And after adding meat, 5 minutes of cooking time, then he adds carnation milk cream. Please subscribe to my channel with bell icon on so you get notification for every updates. And don't forget to like, share, comment. Some more gravy. So basically, chef has idea how much gravy and how much sauce it needs, and he add some cream with the milk and leave to cook for another 10 minutes. So in total, cooking time is about 20 minutes. And then it's ready for packing. So this is a generous size. He has cooked 2 portions of meat korma. Yep, 2 portions of meat korma. And this is how Indian chefs are cooking meat kormas. And the gravy is pre-cooked as well. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more Indian cooking. I will show anyone who is interested in becoming a chef will get some ideas how to cook dishes in Indian restaurant.